Hello, this is the most best news ever of Dave's Rock Shop Magic Volcano by BMO Harris Mojevic.
Why it was in your ears?
So this is it. It is the dinosaur.
The birth of a dinosaur.
The birth of a... Here, it was in a little volcano. Okay, and here comes the birth of a little baby dinosaur. So, what you have to do, I'll show you the instructions, what I may already do. You have to do...
Just read it.
I forgot. So spill the...
No, nice voice, Bimo, пожалуйста.
So spill all the water in and fill it up, but it cannot be the room temperature.
It cannot be?
Yes, it cannot be.
Does it say it cannot be room temperature?
You said it.
Let me see. Hold on. Because it was room temperature. The temperature of the water is under 35 degrees. Okay.
So when you do it, it fills up to become this badass. And when it'll take 3 days for it to become
to grow
into the fully grown monster.